We need to remember that it's a lot faster as well when we pick up the phone because it helps build trust. People are like, oh, you are real. Oh, you are there. Hello, friends. Stephen Harrington, Dakota, the Diva of Insurance. Wanted to talk about something today that I think is pretty darn important. Picking up the phone. I know that sometimes a text or email is easy or fast and we can get some great information that way, but we also can't tell tone of voice or some of the context behind the message if we're not physically talking with our client, prospect, coworker, underwriter, carrier partner, etc. So I want us to really think about why is it we don't want to pick up the phone? And I think there's a couple of main reasons. The first one's normally fear of rejection because nobody wants to know. Or we might be unprepared. What if we say something wrong? Or what if we stumble? Or what if we're wasting time? Is it even worth it? And a lot of times I say yes. Yes. Just pick up the phone. Let's get it done. It's called eating the frog, right? We can handle difficult situations, stressful situations. We can get to the bottom of things a lot faster if we just pick up the phone and talk to the person that we need the information from, or the person that needs to get the information, so we can move forward. But we'll create a whole story in our head as to all the things that are going to happen so we don't pick up the phone. So what I want us to do and how we can become successful is we can visualize success. Just imagine before we pick up the phone that the call is going to be great. We also need to set a goal. What is the purpose of the call? Do we need information? Do we need to relay a message? Do we need clarity on something? Great. We need to have a purpose to the call. And then if we do get rejection or that it doesn't go quite right, we're going to learn from that and practice and just try again and again to get it better and get more confidence in what we're saying. We need to remember that it's a lot faster as well when we pick up the phone because it helps build trust. People are like, oh, you are real. Oh, you are there. But again, I think we get in our own way because we don't know what to say, we don't know what to do, or we're afraid of not having the correct answer. So our latest blog about picking up the darn phone gives you some scripts to review and things to think about. It also is just a great reminder that we need to be people. We need to be personable, and we need to communicate with clients in their preferred contact method, not our preferred contact method, which I think can also get a little convoluted because we want fast and easy, or we don't like picking up the phone. The more we pick up the phone, the more confidence we get, the easier the calls become, and a lot of times it actually speeds up our job. So my recommendation is, when in doubt, pick up the phone, give somebody a call, and get to the bottom of the situation, get the information needed. Don't be afraid to call. If you have additional questions or want to learn more, you can always find us at agencyperformancepartners.com.